Hello everyone, I got another question for you. Now this question is on percentage, but you also need the concept of integer solution from linear equation chapter. Okay, so combining these two, we have a question here. So let's see the question. If you want, you can pause the video and try attempting the question by yourself, or let's solve this together. So question says, in a class, there were more than 10 boys, okay? And certain number of girls, we don't know that. Number of girls, number of boys also. It's just that number of boys are more than 10. After 40% of the girls and 60% of the boys left the class, the remaining number of girls was 8 more than the remaining number of boys. Okay, difference between the remaining. The minimum possible number of students initially in the class was. So obviously it will be they can only ask about the possibility, because here you have number of girls, number of boys, so it will make two variable equation. But there is only one condition, that 40% of boys and 60% of girls, difference is equal to 8. Yes, let me show it to you. So here let's assume the number of boys to be B and number of girls to be G. Okay. Now, question said B is more than 10. Yeah. And we need to find out the minimum possible number of students. So, we need to find out B plus G ka minimum value. Okay. So, first we'll apply the percentage concept and say that if after 40% of girls they left the class, so then how many girls are remaining? 60%, right? 60% of girls are remaining. And 60% boys left the class, so how many boys remaining? 40% of boys remaining. Now question said the number of girls are 8 more, so number of girls are more, okay, compared to number of boys left, and the difference as per the question is equal to what? Equal to 8, right? Okay, or we can also simply write this equation as 0.6 G minus 0.4 B equal to 8. Okay, now you can simplify this by removing decimal and then थोड़ा simplify कर सकते हो. मैं इसको simplify करूँगा simply by multiplying 5. Okay, if I multiply by 5, see this, if I multiply by 5, then I get equation like 0.6 into 5 is 3. So we just need to have some integer easy numbers so that it will be easy for us to deal with them. Okay, this will be 2b because 4 5s are 20. ये बी कैपिटल कैसे हो गया अचानक? हमने तो स्मॉल कंसिडर किया था ना. हाँ, चलो स्मॉल. ओके, इक्वल टू दिस इज 40. ओके, नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द integer solutions. We need to find what? Integer solution. Yeah, 2b, right? Integer solutions. So what we can do here, we can have 3g equal to 40 plus b, 2b, and you know how to deal with the integer solution. Do you remember that? We have done in chapter linear equation, and there we have discussed the integer solution. Okay, so let me tell you the chapter number. Let me search for you. In linear equation, chapter number 10, we have discussed integer solution. So that's what we are going to use here. Now, along with that, this question is tricky because यहाँ पे ना सिर्फ integer का नहीं, you also have to keep in mind that whatever integer value of g and b you will get, if you make it 0.6 of g, that should give you integer value. Okay, that should also give you integer value. So it's not only that integer value. So it's not only about finding the value of g integer and value of b integer. It is also about having 0.6 g as an integer and 0.4 of b as an integer. ठीक है, ये भी हमें ध्यान रखना है. And remember, to have the least integer we multiplied by 5. So यहाँ से अपने को मिलता है hint. So from here we get hint. Hint क्या है? If we can have it multiple of 5, then it will be easy for us to get the integer value. Okay, that's what we need to keep in mind, right? So let's see that. Here, what we do next, we can do this g is equal to 40 plus 2b by 3. Yeah, I'm applying the integer solution concept. Okay, I hope I don't have to tell you the concept again because we have discussed this in linear equation, lecture number 10. Okay, fine. So, अभी क्या करते हैं इसके बाद हम लोग we divide this individual value and just check the remainder. So, if I divide 40 by 3, the remainder is how much? Remainder is for 1 plus here we have 2 as it is, and then b we need to find out. Now, to this remaining part, okay, remaining part to be divisible by 3, I need to have remainder of b as 1. Remainder of b as 1. Why? So that 2 into 1 become 2 and 2 plus 1 become 3, and 3 further can be divisible by, further can be divided by 3, and remainder, final remainder will be 0. If final remainder is 0, then only you will get an integer quotient, and that will be the value of g. Okay. Again, I am repeating. If this is confusing to you, ये concept आपको confusing लग रहा है, if this concept is being confusing to you, then that means it is important for you to understand the concept first. Linear equation chapter, please access that. It's part of the algebra. Okay. So here, अभी क्या value रख सकते हैं b का हम लोग? We can take b का value which has to be more than 10. Yeah, question said b is more than 10, right? So b ka value such that when we divide by 3, remainder should be 1. So b ka value which is more than 10. So when you check with 11, if you divide by 3, remainder is 2. 12, if you divide by 3, remainder is 0. Okay. 13, if you divide by 3, remainder is 1. So this is the smallest value of b as of now, which is more than 10. And if you substitute it here, मैं आपको substitute करके दिखाता हूँ, देखो वैसे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. People who are sure about this concept of integer solution for linear equation. So if you substitute b equal to 13 here, तो देखो आपका g का value कैसे बनेगा? g का value will be 40 plus 2 into 13 by 3. So 13 into 3, 13 into 2 is what? 26 plus 36. Sorry, 26. 26 plus 40 is 66 by 3. If you divide, if you cancel this, then you get g value as 22. Okay, so you are getting integer value, right? हमने ये डिस्कस किया है लीनियर इक्वेशन के क्लास 10 में, तो प्लीज यार, प्लीज वी डोंट हैव टू. अभी अगर नहीं आता है तो पहले अपने को वो करना चाहिए, फाउंडेशन को स्ट्रांग रखो. दिस क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. फाउंडेशन वीक होता है तभी क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट लगता है. ओके, नाउ फर्दर टेल मी व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ बी व्हिच कैन सेटिस्फाई this. What should be the next value of b which can satisfy and give the integer value of g? Yes, the next value should be 16. Yeah, how do we know that? Because we see the divisor. Divisor is 3. So we increase with the difference of 3. So after 13, the next value which can satisfy this condition to get the integer value of g should be 13 plus 3. Okay. अब ये तो अपने को समझ में आ गया. Now we also have to take this equation parallelly. So this is your original equation. ये तो हमने 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करके बनाया. ये वाला this equation we have found by multiplying 5. But this is original equation. It means that if you substitute b equal to 13 over here, so 0.4 into b, these many boys are remaining in the class. Remember the question? So these many boys, the number of boys who are remaining in the class should be in integer form. अब 0.4 को 13 से multiply करोगे, then it is not an integer. Think about it. So to get an integer, it has to be multiple of 5. So आपको minimum चाहिए ना, तो minimum 13 तो नहीं है, because this is not multiple of 5. I hope you understand the reason. सोचो यार, 0.4 को अगर आप multiply करते हो किससे, your first job is to get rid of this decimal. Decimal हटाओगे, 10 लगाओगे, cancel करोगे, this is 2 by 5. So this value of b has to be multiple of 5, so कम से कम 5 cancel हो सके. And then you get the number of students, number of boys who are left after 60% of boys left the class. 60% of boys who left the class, after that, the boys remaining in the class should be an integer value. Decimal boys कैसे हो सकते हैं यार? आप कैसे बोल सकते हो कि you have 5.2 boys left in the class? Not possible ना. तो ये हमें लगाना है क्या? Is something called common sense. We have to use it. Okay. So that's why this equation also you have to keep in mind. Maximum students make mistake here. यहाँ पे maximum students they make mistake. And examiner is also very chalak. very chalak bro, because they have not given options here. Okay, this is one of the text, type in the answer type of question. Okay, इंटेलिजेंट है ना एग्जामिनर, एग्जामिनर भी इंटेलिजेंट है. ऐसे ही नहीं मिल जाता अच्छे कॉलेज में एडमिशन. यू हैव टू बी वेरी अटेंटिव. ओके, नेक्स्ट इट विल बी +3. अब इससे भी नहीं मिलने वाला. मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, मल्टीपल ऑफ 5, +3 दिस इज व्हाट 22. ये भी नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? +3 देन इट इज व्हाट 25. 25 is the smallest multiple of 5 we can take for B, because B has to be more than 10, right? If B equal to 25, then what are we going to get G as? So G we are going to get what? 40 plus 2 into 25 by 3. So here 25 into 2 is 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 by 3 is going to give you what? 30. So if you put G is equal to B equal to, sorry, B equal to 25, you're going to get G equal to what? 30. Accordingly, you will get B plus G as 25 plus 30, and you're going to get what? 55. So these many students were there initially in the class. Did you understand this? I repeat, if you are not understanding, if you're getting confused कि ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, integer solution क्या है, why am I taking this, then we have discussed such question in linear equation lecture number 10, and after that also in practice classwork question, homework question also we have discussed more such questions. Do that. Okay, I hope you understood this question. Let's try the next question.